here at Skyway Classics. I like to say one of the finest retro mod trucks that have come in, featuring its red exterior with the red and tan interior. As you can see, the seats were very nicely custom made, along with the automatic beam M shifter. Dash is painted that fine looking red. As you see, they also had the aftermarket cluster in, which is very more accurate. And of course, for you some of the bigger drivers, such as myself with long legs, you got the tilt column. And it'd be nice to have the wheel red too, to give it the style. You have an aftermarket oil pressure and temp gauge for safety. JVC audio sound system. In fact, even in the bed, you can see it's nicely well kept. In fact, that's where they put the gas tank. But underneath the hood, they still kept that nice small block engine underneath of it. Of course, that's how Chevy was, stock, but also had a lot of class to it. As for now, we can give you a little bit of a brake test. Handles just good, and just like all its other functions, these trucks were made to drive. Every tiny little function works. Steering's pretty good, brakes are pretty good, and heck, what's not good about this truck? But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.